So this is Bosslady Shruti, and today I wanted to do a couple of Valentine's Day fits. I've been doing so much of these kind of videos on Instagram, but I thought I want to do something a little more long format for YouTube, and I thought what better than Valentine's Day to do a lookbook sort of a video. Well, 'tis the season of love, and I wanted to put together a few Valentine's Day fits. I am the kind of person that likes to celebrate everything. Even though I am single AF and I probably will be celebrating Valentine's Day, editing the next video. Honestly, my single ass is just happy doing this because this is the only time I get into the Valentine's Day spirit. That's why I'm doing it, honestly. So let's get dressed. Oh, by the way, before I show you my outfit, I just quickly want to show you my current lip obsession. I already have the rest of my makeup on. This is the Mamaearth Moisture Matte Long Stay Lipstick. This is in the shade Carnation Nude. Let me show you the goodness. These lipsticks contain avocado and vitamin E, which make them so comfortable, super pigmented, and super long lasting. So you can share a million kisses and still not need any touch-ups on this Valentine's Day. These have quickly become my favorite, and you can use my code for a 20% off on the Mamaearth website. Mamaearth truly values your input and uses it to improve their products. So let me know in the comments if you have tried this and what are your thoughts on this lipstick. Happy Valentine's Day, babies! So now that my makeup look is complete, let's get on with the outfit. I think this is perfect for if you have some really grand plans for Valentine's Day. This is a flow-length cocktail dress. I have tried to iron this for the last 20 minutes and this is the best that I could do. I'm really sorry. I know you guys keep commenting about, yeah, you need to iron your clothes, but deal with it, okay? My ironing skills are limited and we are going to move ahead. I think this outfit is the perfect combination of sophisticated and sexy, and I love the muted pink color, especially on dusky, like tan skin tones. This color is like nude pink, and I think it looks absolutely stunning on tan brown skin tones. And I think the thigh-high slit is supremely sexy. It is giving me Angelina Jolie from Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Ooh, that movie though. This outfit is perfect for that femme fatale on Valentine's Day when her man is taking her out to a gala dinner. Enchanté. Oh honey, I mean, when you are dressed like this, your man better take you out to the best restaurant in town. Because you, my baby girl, you don't look like a snack. You look like the whole damn meal. Oh my god, I love how this dress fits. I love the little sleeve detail, and honestly, I'm loving my short hair with it. Like everything about this is perfection. This is giving me Marilyn Monroe. This is giving me old school retro vibes. This hair and this dress, ooh. And this makes me reminisce the times that men used to take women out on real dates, plan everything, shower them with, you know, a dozen roses, pick them up, take them to nice dinners and pamper them and woo them. Well, mere naseeb itne achhe nahi hai. So I am just going to wear this dress and hope and pray for my old school lover to hand me out an invitation. But till then, honey, this dress, Ooh, I think this dress is perfect for those romantic soft girlies. This color is that perfect in between a pink and like lavender purple. It's giving me romantic, it's giving me soft girl era, and this is making me feel all sorts of girly girl. And if that is your aesthetic, I think this dress would be perfect for you. I think this dress is perfect if you want to go on a little day picnic or something of that sort, very low-key, chill kind of vibes for Valentine's Day. I think this dress is perfect for that. In this dress, I picture myself on a nice park with my diva and some snacks and beautiful company. Since I don't have the last part, which is the beautiful company, I think me and diva might go for a picnic, but I don't know where in Bombay you will go on a picnic. So if you have suggestions, let me know in the comments. Well, this is just a PSA. I'm ready for the picnic. You can get the snacks and I'll get the dog. Well, hello. I think I was very surprised when I put together this look. Honestly, when I first got this skirt, I thought it's going to be like supremely tacky, the material and everything of it. I was just like, maybe this was not a good purchase. But when I wore it with the top, I absolutely loved the fit of this. This outfit, when put together, looks beautiful, elegant, and sophisticated. And I think the key to an outfit like this is to keep the accessories really, really minimal. I switched out my earrings for these small little drop earrings and just a small and just this bracelet. You can also wear like a nice gold watch if you have it. I think this is the perfect Valentine fit for a corporate girly. I mean, if you have the crush on your colleague at office, this would be a nice way to turn up and make him ask you out on Valentine's Day. So yeah, these are all the fits. Let me know which one's your favorite. Honestly, after wearing this might just be my favorite. And subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy. Mwah. एक गुलाब तुम्हारे जैसे गुलाब के लिए उफ वाह 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 मेरी शायरी बहुत ही बकवास है बट आपका वैलेंटाइन शुभ हो वाह 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 वाह